name is Dylan Moore, and this is problem 1.2 for course CPSC 2100. In problem 1.2, we're to assume that S is a string of lowercase characters and to write a program that prints the number of times the string Bob occurs in S. We're going to use S equals AZCBOBOB for testing. And the program should print number of times Bob occurs as 2 at the end. So we're going to go ahead and start with our variables. This is our string that we're going to iterate over to see how many times Bob occurs. There we go, we've got that one down. And now we're going to do our number of Bob occurrences variable, which is going to track the number of times that Bob occurs. That value is 0 right now because we haven't iterated over the string S to see how many times that actually does occur. So we're going to use another for loop for this one. For I so this first part up here, we're telling it to look over the range of the length. The range, which is the length of S. So it's going to go through the entire length of the variable S, the string variable, and then it's going to look at the if statement, which is if I, which in this situation we're going to look at I as every letter in the string, but it's going to be that letter and the 3 letters that it's attached to. So it's going to be AZC, and then it's going to look over ZCB, and then it's going to look over CBO, and so on and so forth. So in order to do that, we're going to do I plus 3. And if these 3 letters, any of these 3 letters in this string match up with Bob, the number of Bob occurrences is going to go up by 1. So let's see if this worked. And we're going to do print number of times Bob occurs is, and then the number Bob variable. So let's check it. And it looks like the number of times Bob occurs is 2. And just visually going over it, it looks like that's correct. So it looks like our code worked.